Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
This is Canary Lane, one of the 2 yellows of Harpers Ferry, the on-site aerial adventure park. Brian's starting, getting clipped in. Here we go.
Yeah, I think they took the sign down because like some of them, the writing's kind of worn out, so it's hard to tell. So they might be repainting it. No, it's just mysterious yellow.
Ah, they're right here.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm just used to a sign being like right on that thing.
Gotcha. I'll tell you what, if you guys are up for it, I know you said you wanted to do the full Blue Jay, full black next time you came back, but if you wanted to, just kind of get the big zip line in, I could send you up at the halfway point at Blue Jay.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah, if you want to end off with that, because this should only take like
He
10
said we could do
minutes.
the end of, go up halfway on Blue Jay.
Yeah.
And that way we can get the zip line in for fun.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's great.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Just let me know when you guys are ready for that. I'll be ready if you guys are ready.
Okay. Yeah, it'll be right after this. Last yellow only took like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we'll see how long this one takes. Pretty low to the ground. It's a yellow. All right, you ready? I can come up. So we do the D-ring clip first. And then we do the smart blade clips next. That one. That one, and then we go. You having fun on the bridge again, Ryan? Where's Ryan? I'm telling you, it's the Shrek bridge.
Another structure. Yeah, it's not like the torturing donkey or
Yeah, Shrek's torturing donkey.
yeah.
Because he wants to get across and he's like shaking it.
Yeah.
There goes Ryan. Easy peasy. Alright, let's get clipped in. D-ring is unclipped last, so follow procedure. Clip. Alright, I'm coming. Go right onto the element. Oh, down. Shimmy. Clip. Alright, I'm coming. Take a look at the first step. Kind of a little bit of give. And here we go. This is definitely a good warm-up for people.
Oh yeah.
You just walk. Whenever you're ready, bro.
Oh.
I'm just staying here because got a good angle for you.
Cool.
Ta-da! Goes. Just keep moving. Good job, Ryan. I clip right onto the element again. There we go. First step. I think it's seen. Oh, maybe you can see my shadow down there. That's fun. You know, I think if I took someone that was completely new, I'd have him do the 2 yellows and then crow's nest.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
That's actually good.
Because it's like an intro-y green, like it's not super long.
Right. That makes sense.
And these don't take too long out of the 2 hours you have.
Yeah.
There goes Ryan. Cool. Onto the element. You good?
Yep.
Cool. All right, here we go. Ooh, this one's fun. First step. Ooh. Put one foot on of the other. Soon you'll be walking across the floor. All right. What's this? Little tightrope? Mini one?
Mini tightrope.
Mini tightrope.
Mini.
Cool. Right. Scooching. Second half of our Harpers Ferry little journey. Cooling down with the yellows. So peaceful out,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Right in the middle. I just like how it's so quiet.
Yeah, that's the best part.
It's like so, no stress, no phone notifications, right?
Yeah. It's great for ADHD. Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Love the green. Love looking at the mountains.
Oh yeah, all the way out there.
Yeah. Actually calms you down. Yeah.
All right. There's another metal clip. So I'm gonna shimmy on over. I need to start walking around the tree. But this, do you normally clip from middle to middle, or do you walk around the tree?
I walk around. Yeah, I walk around.
Okay. I think it just saves time if I shimmy under, but
Yeah.
I guess it'll be a little easier. Woo! Ah, I'm gonna walk around this time. There's Crow's Nest, the start, it's a green. The zip line across, we did that. Oh, this is it.
Yep.
This thing and then we end. You know what? Now I recognize it. We did this in the winter when there was no leaves. Because this is, I got a picture of Megan doing this. She just walked straight across like a pro. And I looked wobbly like you. You just feel too tall? Or are you just on the wrong side?
Yeah, wrong side. Pushing it helps.
I bet. Here you go. Nice job.
Thank you.
Zip line ends it down that way. Okay. It's about a 10-minute climb. We were going quick. We could probably do it in 5, 6, you know?
Yeah.
So pretty easy.
Oh, yeah.
This is probably the hardest part of this whole thing, dude. Jeez. How do you like...
Push. I do a bench press with the rope.
You mean like a dip?
No, I mean like push towards
Woo!
or do that. I was thinking more like the side.
Kind of want to like go lower.
Go left or right.
Oh gosh. This is working. This is working, but it's awkward.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. This is the least amount of like wiggle that the boards were giving.
Yeah.
I'm just crouched over. And last step. Whoop. All right, let me come around.
Yeah, sing more like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Ryan.
Let's go.
Woo! Nice. The end. Canary Lane, Harpers Ferry. Just 10 minutes, easy peasy. Got a little zip line, so I get my trolley out and bring it out a little loop. Come on. Come on. There we go. And we put the trolley in front. You good?
Yeah.
All right, I'm coming. We learned the trick last time. Hand goes over for me. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ta-da! Ah, there. Second successful one of the day. Where's the unclip thing? Oh, way back here. That's weird. And unclip. All right. That's it.